Hi, welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix black screen, high contrast on Windows 10. This is very easy to fix. You can see the taskbar side search button. Type there, choose your desktop background. Then select. Now you reached background settings page. Here select the high contrast settings found on the right side. Turn off high contrast settings. Another option is to first select the display on the left side, and then select the color settings on the right side, and change the colors you want. If you like this video, share to others they can benefit it. Thank you. Bye.